Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making creamy veg pasta with chicken. This kind of recipes in Ramadan, it's healthy and it's have carbs, protein and fiber. Salt as per taste, peri peri powder 2 tablespoon, white pepper 2 tablespoon, garlic powder 2 tablespoon, sweet paprika 1 tablespoon. Mix everything. Lemon juice 2 tablespoon. Mix everything, make fine paste. Chicken boneless half kg. Marinate the chicken. You can refrigerate for 2 months. You can do everything like this before Ramadan. You have lots of time for ibadah. Butter 2 tablespoon. Marinate boneless chicken. Grill on medium heat until tender. Mix veg pasta recipe. Oil 2 tablespoon. Garlic clove 4. Cherry tomatoes 100 grams, or you can use normal tomatoes. Carrot and broccoli 1 cup. Salt as per taste. Close the lid. Cook on low heat for 7 to 8 minutes. Make fine paste. Veggies paste. Pepper 2 tablespoon. Salt as per taste. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Please support my channel. Mix everything. Add half cup water. Cook on low heat. Now add milk 1 cup. Mixed herbs 1 tablespoon, optional. Mix everything. Now add boiled pasta 2 cups. I am using whole wheat pasta. You can use normal pasta as well. Mix everything. Cook on medium heat for 5 minutes. Now it's ready to serve. It takes only 20 minutes to cook. Instead of buying restaurant food, try to make different varieties of food at home with healthy options.